Good morning friends, standard 11 commerce, subject statistics and chapter number 1, that is collection of data. In last video that we learned about the questionnaires by post and questionnaires by enumerators. Nowadays and here we are going to learn about next topic, that is secondary data. See, as we learned earlier that two types of data is there when we are doing any collection of data. Two types of data is there. Number one, that is primary data, and number two, that is secondary data. So here, as we know, what do we mean by primary data? Method of collection of primary data, meaning and definition of primary as well as secondary data. So here, first of all, we learn about what do we mean by secondary data. So data which is already found by any other person or any other institute, the same data which we are using for our purpose, that is called secondary data for us. Again, the data which is already published, already searched by any person or any institute, that same data which we are using for our purpose or our use, that is called secondary data. So here, when we are discuss about the source of secondary data, so here mainly two types of sources there. Number one, that is published, and second one, that is unpublished. So here, what do you mean by published as well as unpublished source of data? So here, published, that means a data which is published by any other institute or any other person, which is published in a market, which is found by any persons as well as published in a market, that is called a published data. And what do you mean by unpublished data? That is a research or data is found out by any person or any institute, but that particular thing is not published anywhere, that is called unpublished data. Okay, so here two types of source of collection is there. Number one, that is published data, and number two, that is unpublished data. Now next, that is source of published data. It means that where we are collect the public data. Okay, published data. So here various types of sources is there. There are 7 sources there. Number one, government publications. Number two, semi-government publications. Number three, international publications. Number four, report of research organizations. Number 5, local self-government institutes. Number 6, publication of business and commerce organization. And last, number 7, that is newspaper and periodicals. So here, different type of 7 authorities or 7 types is there to get the secondary data in a published source. So now we discuss one by one all the points. Number 1, that is government publications. Okay, so data which is published by government, that is called a government publication. Okay, for example, ICAR, okay, NSO, population survey, census survey, which is introduced by government. So these all types of government publications are included in particular things. For example, National Sample Survey Organization, okay, General and Council Commission of India. So this is all type of, that is a source which is received by government. It means that whatever data which is published by government itself, government bodies, that is called government publications. Next, number 2, that is semi-government publications. Okay, so this is the second point, that is the semi-government publications such as Life Insurance Corporation of India, okay, then state electricity banks, etc. So here semi-government bodies are there, those who are connected with the government situation, with the government connection, and those semi-government publications, if they are publish the data in a market, that is called semi-government publications. So two types is there, government publications and semi-government publications. Next, number 3, international publications. Okay, the data which is introduced by international level authorities. Okay, for example, that is IMF, International Monetary Fund. Number 2, that is the International Labour Organizations. Are the published data is called international publications data. Okay, the for example WTO, World Health Organization, WHO, World Health Organization, WTO, World Trade Organization, this data is also connected with the international publications. So here data which is produced by international level producer, international level body or authorities, that is called international publications. Next, number 4, that is report of research organizations. Some research organizations are there, those who are publish the various types of data in a market. Okay, for example, research institute like Ahmedabad Textile Industry Research Institutions Associations, Physical Research Laboratory, Ahmedabad Salt and Marine Research Laboratory Bhavnagar, Institute of Economic Growth Delhi, National Council of Applied Economic Research New Delhi provide the data in their publications. Okay, so here some research organizations are there, those who are published their data in a market, that is called a report of organizations data. So 4 types is there. Number 1, that is government publications. Number 2, semi-government publications. Number 3, international publications. And number 4, report of research organizations. Next, number 5, that is local self-government institutions. Okay, for example, local bodies are there like Nagarpalika, Gram Panchayat, those who are local authorities, those who are provide such kind of data to the in a market, that is called local and self-government institutions. So here local self-government institutions and autonomous education institutes, municipal corporation, Jilla Panchayat and agriculture university publish their annual reports. So whatever that particular bodies are there, that they are publish their annual reports in front of public, and the researcher is that those who are collect the information from it, that is called local and self-government institutions. So this is number 5. Next, number 6, that is publication of business and commerce organization. So here publication of business and commerce organization, like many businessmen are there, many companies are there, those who are associated with a World Trade Organization, and that type of data that they are produced in a market, that is called publication of business and commerce organization. For example, Economic Trends, Institute of Chartered Accountants publish the Journal Chartered Accountants, and the Institute of Foreign Trade publishes the Journal Foreign Trade Review. So this is the business and commerce organizations is that those who are published data in the market, and that kind of thing is a published sources. They are highly published their data in a market, and that is why it's called a public or published sources. And last, number 7, newspaper as well as periodicals. Okay, so various newspaper is there, for example Times of India, okay, Divya Bhaskar. This various types of periodicals is there that they are provide various types of data. For example, Economic and Politics Weekly newspaper is there, Business Today, Financial Express. So this is the various kind of data which is provided in various types of newspaper as well as periodicals. Okay, so what we learned in this topic, published data, and published data are mostly 7 types is there. Number 1, government publications. Number 2, semi-government publications. Number 3, international publications. Number 4, report of research and organizations. Number 5, local self-government institutions. Number 6, publication of business and commerce organizations. And number 7, newspaper and periodicals. So this is the various 7 types of published sources is there. Now, what about unpublished sources? So unpublished sources, that means a data which is researched by any person, a data which is researched by any person or any institute, but that data is not published at anywhere, that is called unpublished data. Okay, so in this type of data, which type of data is included? For example, PhD thesis or PhD journal is there, various type of research paper is there, that they are included in the unpublished data. So here in that particular things, sometimes data are maybe drawn for the request from the unpublished international records of private and public organizations which are prepared for their reference. For example, salary of employee, length of services, educational level, data regarding investment of mutual funds of public and private sector in companies, PhD thesis. So this type of various types of data which is included in unpublished sources, because that type of data is not sourced or not like published at anywhere. It is research, but it is stock at one particular place. So it is not published in a journal, not published in a public, and that is why it is called unpublished data. So in first part, what we learn? Secondary data, source of secondary data, published as well as unpublished data. Okay, thank you. Okay, so after the completion of first topic, the next topic is, and this is the last topic of this chapter, and the topic is precautions while using the secondary data. It means that when we are using the secondary data in our research work, what is the precautions? What is the take care that we have to do while using the secondary data? Okay, so here various types of precautions are there, but normal precautions that we have to check that data that it is suitable for us or not. We have to also do the statistical analysis whether it is suitable for us or not. So this type of data that we have to check it first and then we have to use. For various types of precautions is there, and that precautions that we have to consider while using the data of secondary data. So here 5-6 total precautions is there. One by one we discuss all the precautions. Number 1, verify as who has collected the data and from where. So very first point is that what we have to do, first of all we have to check it that whatever data that we are using for our use, we have to check it that data, who is collected that data. Okay, who is collected that data, whether it is published or unpublished, whatever is there, but we have to check it who is the publisher and from where they are collect that data. Okay, because that data is found by some other persons that we don't know. So what is their purpose? What is the place that they are taking? Is it a verified website or not? This we have to check it, and thereafter we have to use that particular data in our use. So very first point is that verify as to who has collected the data and from where. Number 2, purpose of collection of data must be same. It means that whatever data that we have to require, we have to take on as a secondary data in our study, as well as before that time, whatever person is there, those who are considered that particular data in their use, the purpose of both the person are same, because when purpose is same, then that data is useful for us. Otherwise, if the purpose is different, then that particular data is for unusefulness for us. So here, whenever we use the data of secondary data, what we have to do? We have to check it whether the purpose of our as well as purpose of that particular person, those who are collect the data before it, that purpose should be same. Next, number 3, collection of data must not be too old. It means that, for example, we are doing a research in 2020 and we are taking data of 2001 or 2002. It's too old year data, 20 years back. So that particular thing is not useful in a current situation, because at that time scenario is changed, taste and habit of preference as of customer is changed, political and legal aspect is different. Okay, so this is the different kind of situation is that legal and political actions, sociality is different, taste and preference of particular person that different, age factor is different. So whatever data that we are using, that collection of data must not be too old, because old data is not useful right now in our condition. Okay, so what 3 points are there? Number 1, verify as who and where collect the data. Number 2, purpose of our study and their study should be same. And number 3, collection of data it not must be too old. Next, number 4, before the using it must check that scope of data, that reason for which the data is used, and find. So what we have to do before the using of secondary data, what we have to do, we have to check it whether first of all scope of data. Okay, for example, we are doing the study of in only Gujarat. Okay, for example, financial condition of the banking sector of Gujarat. So we are taking 5 banks, but scope is only from Gujarat, and whatever secondary data is there, their scope is all over India. So data purpose should be same, but data scope of data is different, region is different. We are taking only Gujarat, but that data is combined of all the 33 states, and that's why it is not useful for us. So what is the next point? That while we are using the secondary data, first of all we have to check it, that is the scope of data as well as the region, okay, of the data which we are using for our study. Next, number 5, direct use of the estimated data should be avoided. Whatever estimated data is there, if it is directly available without any authorized sources, that type of data that we have to avoid it to use in our research study, because there is no clarification is there is no reality is there is no reliable surety that whether data is right or wrong. So that type of data that we have to avoid when we are using it. And last one, the method of the collection of data by the investigator should be checked. Okay, method of data, either it is direct or indirect. Okay, if it is direct, then if it is indirect, then it is by questionnaire by enumerators or questionnaire by post. So this type of information that we have to check it, first of all check it, and then after that type of data that we have to use in our study. So it should be more preferable to us, because our study is totally related to secondary data, and if secondary data is wrong, our research study is wrong, because it's a raw material for us. And if it is a right, if it is a conscious, if it is a reliable, then our research study is success. Okay. So what we studied, that precautions, 6 precautions are there. Number 1, that is who and where collect the data. Number 2, purpose of the study. Number 3, too old data is there, not we have to use. Number 4, scope of data and region that we have to check it before the using of secondary data. Number 5, direct use of the estimated data should be avoided. And number 6, whatever data is collected or find out by any other person, first of all we have to check it whether it is appropriate, find out the data with the help of appropriate method or not. So this is the end of first chapter. Again, what we learned in first chapter, first of all, growth and origin of statistics. Number 2, collection of data, that is to economic and non-economic activities. Then after collection of data in 2 types of data is there. Number 1, that is primary and secondary. In primary collection of data, 3 types is there. Indirect inquiry, you meet the personally. Indirect inquiry, questionnaire by post, questionnaire by enumerators. In particular thing that we learn about the ideal questionnaires, points should be added in ideal questionnaires. Then lastly we learn about questionnaires by post, questionnaires by enumerators. Okay, and then here the last video of first chapter, that is secondary data and precautions while using the secondary data. So this is the end of first chapter. Now on next video onwards we are discussing about chapter number 2. Okay, thank you.